Hey, what's up guys? So I'm about to do the flush mount molded taillight blackout kit for my 2000 C5 Corvette. A lot of the kits out there, they have like this flat one that just screws on there and it doesn't look very nice. So we're going to do the molded one, and I'm going to show you what it looks like before and after, and it should look pretty sweet. It is before without the blackout kit, just stock lighting. I'm going to be changing these to the laser turn signal. First thing you're going to want to do is take the screws off. You can see I already did it on these two, and I still need to do it on these two. So I have all the screws off of the taillights now, and I'm gonna paint them black now so it'll look a little better, because don't know if you can tell, but they're kind of gray. So what I do to paint these screws is I just stick them in like a little styrofoam block or whatever you have. Just shake up a little bit of satin black paint. Okay, so since I've already taken the screws off for the taillights, I'm just going to go ahead and get in there and do the side markers as well, because what better time than now. So to do that, you just take this out, pull the taillight out gently, and then right in there, don't know if, there it is, you can see it down there. That is a side marker, so now I gotta figure out what size wrench to get. So I figured out it's a 7/16 for the side marker in there. There we go. Okay, so now you just take this bulb out, and then, hold on. You take this bulb out, however that twists out. Here are the new turn signals. I got them from Vette Lights. They give you a sticker, and then right in here, oh, what was that? Oh, they give you a little keychain as well. And then here is the new turn signal, the laser one, and these are the tinted ones. Okay, so now you just pull the bulb out of here. There's the bulb, and then the new one right here. Oh, this plugs right where the bulb was, so I'm going to plug that in. Alright, so there it is on. Tip that I'll give you is to pre-thread these nuts on there before you install it, because they make their own thread on there. They kind of like cut their own thread onto the little plastic bolt. Okay guys, now on to the second. Same process with this one. Take the bulb out and plug in the new turn signal. Alright, that one's all finished, and now it's time to finish up tinting the taillights. Okay, so here are the lenses for tinting the taillights, and then here's the one for the third brake light. This one sticks on where the taillight ones screw on, and then this is for the reverse light. I have the first one on, and man, look at that difference. That is sweet. Here it is with 2 of them done and 2 of them not. Now it's time to do the third brake light and the reverse lights. Okay guys, so here it is with everything all finished up. Those laser side markers look sweet. And the tint looks awesome. I'll show you guys in the daylights how dark they really are. It really looks nice. I love the way everything turned out. These are the best cheap mods you could probably do to a C5 Corvette in my opinion. Okay, so here's how it looks in the daylight. It's pretty dusty, but man, that looks really sharp. You can see on the C6 how red they are compared to these. That turned out sweet. And the side markers.